Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Joe Hollywood. Glad you've been able to join this morning. Today we're going to be talking about skincare, brands and lotions and potions and serums and moisturizers, everything that there is to do about healthy, radiant skin. My first step every single morning, and this is going to be an easy way for you to start your day, is with the aloe vera gel. It's quick, it's easy, it's usually done when I have not even begun to do any of my skincare routine in the morning. I get up in the morning, I have my coffee, I grab my aloe vera gel, and I've already rinsed my face, but that's as far as I've gone. So while I'm watching the news and getting ready for work and getting myself organized, I'm utilizing that time that would normally not be spent with any skincare by putting the benefits of pure aloe vera gel to use. So aloe vera gel, as we all know, is great for skincare after you've been in the sun or you've had a sunburn. It's cooling, it's soothing, it's very much healing. Well, the same applies every morning. It's a quick, inexpensive way to treat your face and get it ready for the day and for the rest of your skincare. So a couple of things that we should know about vitamin C. It's very rich in vitamin C and vitamin E. It is antiseptic, so it helps heal blemishes. It is great for hydrating dry skin, for example. Gentlemen, if you've had any kind of razor burn or after you shave in the morning, which I have not yet, then that is a great way to soothe your face after shaving. So, and one of the greatest benefits of aloe vera gel is that it is pure and works for boosting collagen, which we know is a basis for all of the basic healthy skin care. So basically, you all know what aloe vera gel looks like. First thing in the morning, I get up and just put a little bit on my in the palm of my hands. Rub it around just a little bit. It's been in the refrigerator, so it's nice and cool. I pat it onto my face. Get the eyes, especially under the eyes, so that it heals and helps reduce some of those bags from overnight. Put a little bit on my neck as well. Just pat it in, and that's it. Go about the rest of my morning routine, watch the news, have my coffee, and my face is being healed as we speak. So I hope this is a great way for you to get about the business of taking care of your skin first thing in the morning. Of course, don't forget about your cleansing and your moisturizers and your serums, but we'll be talking about those later too. Got some great brands that I'm going to bring reviews on that I don't see much on YouTube right now. But stay tuned. If you like the video, please subscribe, of course, and hit the notification button so you'll know all these new videos I've got coming out. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And we hope to see you soon. And we do this journey together for skincare and self-care. Take care.